Me and my friends did this trend. Who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Who is the laziest? Who is the funniest? Who is the shyest? Who loves sports? Who plays cricket? Who plays badminton? Who has pets? Who stays up the latest? Who watches Miraculous Ladybug? Who is the most talkative? Who has broken 8 bone? Who is the loudest?
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. I should've stayed.
Who has braces? Who has brothers? Who did I meet first? Who did I become friends with first?